Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your text size larger in TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up your TikTok app as you normally would. Now from here we need to click onto our profile, bottom right hand corner of the page, and then you'll see a hamburger free bar looking icon, top right hand corner of your profile. Go ahead and click into that, and then click into settings and privacy at the bottom of the page. From here, navigate downwards and look for accessibility. Here it is here. So it's under content and display, accessibility. And now from here, click on to where it says text size. And now we've got a scroller at the bottom here. So left means smaller, right means larger. So if we move this slider across, you can see the text size increases or decreases. So to make it larger, set it to about there or however you feel, and then click adjust, and then go ahead and click on adjust again. And that's how to change your text size and make it larger in TikTok.